Can gourd juice replace insulin? The truth behind the viral diabetes cure. HealthBuzz. Myth versus fact. It's all over social media. Gourd juice is being hailed as a miracle cure for diabetes. From influencers to family WhatsApp groups, the buzz is real. But is it true? Clips of people preparing and drinking gourd juice. The myth goes like this: drink gourd juice every morning and say goodbye to insulin. Natural, cheap, and easy. But here's the truth you need to hear. Yes, gourd juice contains compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels. That's a fact. But, and this is critical, it's not a cure. It cannot replace your prescribed medication. Diabetes is a complex condition. Type 1 diabetics don't produce insulin at all. Type 2 diabetics may have insulin resistance. In both cases, relying solely on gourd juice can be dangerous, even life-threatening. Meet Rafik, 42. He stopped his medication after watching a viral video. Within weeks, he was rushed to the hospital with dangerously high blood sugar. His story isn't rare. Doctors agree, natural remedies can support treatment, but they should never replace it. The real danger isn't the juice, it's misinformation. So, should you drink gourd juice? Sure, if you enjoy it and your doctor approves. But don't fall for the hype. It's a supplement, not a solution. Myth busted. Gourd juice not equal to diabetes cure narrator. Share this video to stop the spread of dangerous health myths. And hit subscribe for more myth-busting truth bombs every week.